Hello student, how are you all of you? Now in video we have to study about division of polynomial. Also in previous video we study about the basic concept of division of polynomial and we discussed 3 examples of the division of polynomial. Now we have to do the same division for the exercise 2.3. Okay, so give your attention here. Now in first question of this exercise we have p of x and g of x are given and instruction is that divide p of x by g of x and find its remainder and quotient. In each of the following cases we have 3 questions are available. I write here 2 on this board. Now first question, the p of x is given and it is a g of x. It is a given data. We have to find its quotient polynomial and remainder polynomial. Clear? So if we do the division, then here is p of x. So we have to write x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. Okay, and the power is always also in descending order. There is no need to rearrangement. Now it is a g of x. Here we have to write x square minus 2. Okay, now let's start the division. First of all, here is x cube and here is x square. So what will be here? Okay, x square, if this x square is multiplied with x, then it become x cube. So x into x square, x cube, and x into 2. So we have minus 2x, but we have to write the minus 2x in the below of 5x. Okay, minus 2x. Okay, this is the main concept here. We cannot write 2x as below of 3x square. If you write here, then there are lots of chance of mistakes are available, because addition and subtraction is always done with similar term. It is not possible for non-similar term. Okay, so 5x and 2x are similar term. But if you write these 2x here, then 3x square and 2x are non-similar term. Okay, so you can't do the addition and subtraction. Okay, so you have to write 2x here. It is the first step and most important step. Now we have to do the subtraction of this. Then here is negative, there is no term, minus, then it is a positive. Now this will be cut. Minus 3x square is here, plus 5x plus 2x become plus 7x, and here is minus 3. Any doubt? Okay, now here is minus 3x square and here is only x square. So what is in quotient? Here what will be, we have to write. If you are not able to write this, then do the rough work like that. Minus 3x square is this, and x square, you have to write this x square here. So x square cut, then the answer is minus 3. So you have to write minus 3 in quotient. Okay, so I have to put this value here, minus 3. Now the multiple of minus 3 with whole g of x. So minus 3 into x square. So we have minus 3x square. Now minus plus 3 to the 6, but it is a constant term, so we have to write the 6 be exactly below the 3. Okay, you cannot write 6 here. And minus plus, so you the sign write plus 6. Now it is a positive, there is a no term, and plus 6 become negative because we have to do the subtraction of this. Now this will be cut, this 7x is here, and minus 3 minus 6 we have minus 9. Okay, the power of remainder is 1 and here is power is 2, so division is over. So it is the answer. Okay, so we have to write the answer. In this we have to write quotient and remainder. So quotient means q of x. What is the value of q of x? X minus 3, and it is a remainder. So what is the value of remainder? 7x minus 9. Any doubt in this? Okay, in this division the important thing is that you have to write similar term exactly below to the similar term. Here 5x, then in the below there is only term present with variable is x. Both the power are always equal, then you can do the addition and subtraction. If you write 2x here, then there is lots of chance of mistakes are available, because if you write 2x here, then you can't do the addition or subtraction for this both term, because these both terms are non-similar term. It is not similar term. Okay, so this is the important step of this division. Now in second division, first of all check p of x and g of x. P of x is this, so check the power of p of x. Here is 4, there is no 3 power, 4 2 1 0, so it is always in descending order, no need of rearrangement required. But in g of x, first is x square, then constant term, and then x, so there is a need of arrangement. Okay, let's start division. Here is p of x, so x raised to 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5, and this is a g of x. But give your attention fully here. First term is x square, then minus x will be here, minus x and plus 1. Power is always in descending order. ओके, अगर पावर डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में नहीं है तो आपको रीअरेंज करके पावर डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करनी है. क्लियर? ओके, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द डिवीजन. हियर इज x raised to 4 and here is x square. So what will be here? If x square is multiplied with this x square, then it is x raised to 4. Okay, so x, if you are not able to write what will be here, then you have to do some rough work as I explain in this. What is the rough work required? Here is x raised to 4 and divide by x square. Okay, x square and x raised to 4 cut, then here is the answer is x square, so you have to put this x square here. Any doubt? Okay, now x square is multiple with whole g of x. Okay, so let's start. X square into x square, x raised to 4, x square into x cube, but minus x cube, x square into 1, x square into 1, what is x square? Okay, now here is minus, here is plus, and here is minus. This will both will be cut. Okay, now here is 3x square and here is x cube, so you are not able to do the division and you are not able to do the subtraction and addition of this both term, because these both term are non-similar term. So first of all write down this x square, this x cube, so I write x cube. Clear? Now minus 3x square and x square. Here minus 3x square and minus x square. What is the answer? Minus 4x square, and plus 4x is here. Okay, now let's do the division again. X cube and here is x square, so only plus x is here, x into this whole, so the answer is x cube minus x square plus x. Okay, x is multiple with whole, then you got this. Now you have to do the subtraction of this, so minus plus minus, this will be cut. Minus 4x square plus x square, we have minus 3x square, plus 4x minus x, we have plus 3x, and this 5 is here. Okay, now we have to do the division again. Minus 3x square is here and here is only x square, so what will be in the quotient? So that the multiple of this quotient, and this is minus 3x square, so we have to write here minus 3. Now minus 3 is multiple with this whole, then minus 3x square minus minus plus minus minus plus होगा, ठीक है, plus 3x and minus 3. Now this is a minus, so plus minus and plus, this will be cut, this will be cut, plus 5 plus 3, we have 8. Okay, so it is a remainder and it is a quotient. So q of x is equal to x square plus x minus 3, and it is remainder r of x is equal to 8. Okay, so this is the important. Here is x raised to 4 and directly x square, so don't make a mistake in this first step. First x cube is here, then you have to do the addition and subtraction for these two terms. Okay, this term and this term. Minus 3x square minus x square is plus 4x square, and this plus 4x is here. Okay, so try to solve this sum yourself, and if you are not able, you can message me. Okay, this sum is important sum, and it may be possible that in your board exam it will become in 2 marks, or if this type of sum, then it may be possible it is in 3 mark. Okay, so be prepared for this type of sums. Now, third question of this first question. I want to explain this question in Hindi. So give your attention 110%, because this question is important question. In this question we have, हमारे पास जो पोलिनोमियल है p of x, उसकी पावर देखिए x raised to 4, फिर पावर 3 वो भी गायब, पावर 2 वाला टर्म वो भी गायब, डायरेक्टली कौन है, पावर 1, 5x and 6. In g of x there is 2 minus x square, so we have to rearrange this. Okay, let's start the division. Then here is x raised to 4, फिर उसके बाद क्या आना चाहिए, पावर क्या होनी चाहिए 3, बट मैं उसकी जगह सिर्फ 0 राइट करता हूँ. फिर पावर क्या आनी चाहिए x स्क्वेयर, पर उसकी जगह भी मैं 0 राइट कर रहा हूँ. फिर पावर आएगी -5x + 6. आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि सर ऐसा आपने क्यों किया. आप देखते जाओ, आपको पता चल जाएगा. ये जो अभी हमने प्रीवियस सम पढ़ा उसमें भी हम ये यूज़ कर सकते थे. उसमें अगर आप लोगों को याद है तो पावर 4 थी, फिर डायरेक्टली स्क्वेयर था, क्यूबिक पावर थे नहीं, तो क्यूबिक पावर की जगह आप 0 ऐड कर सकते हैं. इसे बोलते हैं रीअरेंजमेंट. ऐसा क्यों करना पड़ा आपको अभी पता चल जाएगा. ओके, नाउ g of x is 2 minus x square, so we have to rearrange it. 2 minus x square means first of all we have to write x square, because power is always in descending order, so x square, and then 0, and then plus 2. Here is minus x square. Okay, here I write 0. Why? Because this power is not in descending order perfectly. Here is 2, then here is 0x. Okay, you can write in this form 0x plus 2, but I write only 0. Okay, now let's start the division. Here is x raised to 4. I want to do the rough work here, so you have no any type of doubt. Here is x raised to 4, and you have to divide this x raised to 4 by minus x square. Okay, x raised to 4 means what? X into x into x into x, and x raised to x square means what? X into x. Now this x is cut with this x and this x cut, x and x square, and this minus is applied to this. Any doubt? It is a basic and detailed explanation of division of polynomial. Now you have to put x square here. Okay, I put it here. Now you have to do the multiple of this x square with whole g of x. Okay, I want to do in rough work so you can get idea. Here minus x square into g of x. G of x means this whole. So minus x square plus 0 plus 2. Okay, leave this bracket. If you leave this bracket, then what is the answer we have to write is here minus plus x square into x square. We have x raised to 4. Clear? I think you are not able to listen my voice perfectly, so I stop the fan. Okay, now here is x minus plus x square into x square, x raised to 4. Now multiple of minus x square with 0 is 0, so you have to write here 0. Done. Now multiple of minus x square with this. Okay, you have to do this multiple one by one. So minus x square into 2, we have minus 2x square. Okay, multiple of this x square with 2. So we have this answer. Now we have to do the subtraction. अब हमें इसका subtraction करना है, तो x रेस टू 4 पॉजिटिव है तो कैसा बनेगा, नेगेटिव। इसके तो साइन चेंज करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, बिकॉज ये तो जीरो है, ये कोई मायने नहीं रखेगा। माइनस 2x स्क्वायर है तो हम यहाँ पर क्या लिखेंगे, प्लस 2x स्क्वायर। क्लियर। नाउ दिस बोथ विल बी कट, नो नीड टू राइट ऑफ दिस because it is a 0. Now here is 2x square but the sign is plus, so I have to write 2x square. Now I have to write here minus 5x, but there are 3 terms, so you have to write plus 6 here. Okay, now again we have to do the same procedure for this, that what will be in the quotient. If you are not able to write directly, then do rough work. No need of this rough work in examination. This rough work is only for your understanding. Okay, don't do this in exam. Here is 2x square, so divide this 2x square by minus x square. X square and x square cut, here is only 2 and this minus is applied with 2, so you have answer minus 2. Put this minus 2 in quotient. So I put it here. Now the multiple of minus 2 with whole g of x, ये पूरे के साथ मल्टीपल करना पड़ेगा। सो माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 0 प्लस 2। ओके, नाउ 1 बाय 1 हम मल्टीपल करेंगे और जो भी आंसर आएंगे वो हम यहाँ पर लिखेंगे। ओके, माइनस माइनस प्लस 2 इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर, 2x स्क्वायर इज हियर। नाउ माइनस 2 इंटू 0, इट इज ऑलवेज 0। माइनस 0 लिखे या प्लस 0 लिखे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा। माइनस 2 प्लस 2, सो द आंसर इज minus 4. Now we have to do the subtraction, then it is a minus, no need to change this sign. Minus 4 become plus 4. Now this will be cut. Minus 5x is here and plus 6 plus 4 is plus 10. Any doubt in this sum? Now sum is over because power is 1, here is power is 2, so sum is over. The power of the degree of remainder is always less than the degree of divisor. Okay, we studied this in our theory. So we have to write the answer, final answer. Q of x is what? Minus x square minus 2, and it is r of x. So r of x is equal to minus 5x plus 10. Okay.